Welcome to the Ingredient Channel. In this week's episode, we're making red bean buns. Like mantou, steamed red bean buns are traditional breakfast people in China usually eat with porridge or soup. The sweet red bean pastes inside, along with the soft and fluffy dough skin, make the buns very tempting. Luckily, the red bean pastes are rich in dietary fiber and very filling. Otherwise, it will be hard for me to stop stuffing another one in my mouth. Please check out the recipe in the descriptions and remember to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. In a cup of warm water, add sugar, dry the yeast, mix well, let it sit until small bubbles surface. That means the yeast is active. Add half of the liquid ingredients into the flour. Mix it well. We need the all-purpose flour. Add the rest of the liquid ingredients in. Keep mixing. And then we're going to use our hand to knead the dough. Until the surface of the dough gets very smooth. And then I typically drip a few drops of water on top of the dough. So that I can keep it moisturized. And then put the dough in a warm space. Sometimes I turn on the oven to the lowest temperature it could handle. And then right before I put the dough inside, I'm going to turn off the oven. The leftover heat is enough. 3 hours later, whenever you see the dough rises about double the size, it's ready. Add some baking soda, and gently knead the dough again. If it's too sticky, then add some dry flour is okay, just not too much. Punch the dough to squeeze out the air and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Then it's ready to be used. Take half of the dough, keep kneading on the board. Make a stick. So that we can divide the dough into 6 pieces with equal size. wrap. And put the red bean paste inside. Feel free to check out my homemade red bean paste recipe. However you want to seal it, just make sure you seal it very tightly so the red bean paste is not leaking. And we're gonna make about 12 buns. I use about 2 tablespoons of red bean paste each bun. We're gonna let the buns rest for 25 minutes in the steaming pot. And then we're gonna turn the heat on, steam the bun on high heat for 20 minutes. Then turn off the heat, let it sit for 1 minute before you open the lid. There you go. The bun is so delicious. I cannot wait but to eat at least half of it right away. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and support if you have not yet. Thanks.